Hi, welcome to your home school. This is our next session of your trigonometry exercise 11.1. In our last session, we have completed up to 5 problems, right? We are going to continue now 6th problem. What is the 6th problem here? If angle A and angle B are acute angles. What do you mean by acute angles, children? Means the acute angle, the angle which is less than 90. So, two angles are less than 90. So, such that cos A is equal to cos B. So, if two angles are less than 90, the third angle might be 90. It will be right angled triangle. So, which angles are acute here? Angle A and angle B. So, this must be C. Angle A and angle B are acute angles such that cos A is equal to cos B. Given cos A is equal to cos B and show that angle A is equal to angle B. What is this cos A? Okay, if your angle is at A, what is cos ratio here? Adjacent by hypotenuse. Let us go with that. Cos A, that is adjacent by hypotenuse. What is that, children? AC by AB. Okay. Now, cos B means your acute angle is here. Cos B, for this adjacent angle is this and hypotenuse is this. Cos B adjacent is BC by AB. Okay. So look here, children, it is very easy. Nothing there to do. Hypotenuse and this side hypotenuse will be cancelled. How you know? If it comes this side, it will be numerator. Numerator and denominator of AB will be cancelled. Or directly you can do this. Now what you are left with? AC is equal to BC. So what is this AC? AC, BC. I think you can see a right isosceles triangle. What do you mean by this, children? Right isosceles. Right angle and two sides are equal. Isosceles means if two sides are equal, then we call that triangle as an isosceles triangle. And this is a right isosceles triangle. So, I think you know a rule. What is that? If two sides are equal, opposite angles must be equal. You already have come across in your 9th class, right? So, if two sides are equal, its opposite angle will be equal. According to that, if two sides are equal, then their opposite angles are equal. So look here, children, AC. Where is AC side? This is your AC side. Its opposite angle is angle B. And what is your BC? BC side opposite angle is angle A. So look here, what you need to prove? Angle A is equal to angle B. No problem, you can rewrite this. Angle A is equal to angle B. So prove that as, so what do I write here? Hence, it is proved. Okay, there is nothing to prove. Once again, have a look here. Cos A is equal to cos B. AC by BC. Cos B, BC by AB. AB will be cancelled. AC is equal to BC. Then you remember, if two sides are equal, then their opposite angles must be equal. If you apply, your proof is already proved. Coming to your shift to the 7th problem here. If cot theta is equal to 7 by 8. So again, children, cot theta given, cot theta is equal to 7 by 8. Okay, what is cot theta ratio? Cot theta adjacent by opposite, no? So I think hypotenuse we need to calculate first. then we can find the remaining problem. Okay, so let me draw a right angle triangle. Always we need to draw a right angle triangle, children. They won't give all the times. You need to assume a triangle. So I have assumed here, let this be A, B, C. Theta, no? So anyway you can take, where theta is an acute angle. So now adjacent and opposite. For this theta, this is adjacent and this will be opposite. What is adjacent value? 7. Opposite value is 8. Okay, find AC. How do you find? Apply Pythagoras formula. Hypotenuse square is equal to sum of the squares of the other two sides. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. What's your AB? 8 whole square plus 7 whole square. 8 8s are 64 plus 7 7s are 49. What does this, children, here? 113. AC square is equal to 113. What is AC? AC is equal to square root of 113. So where 113 is not a perfect square, so we cannot take this or we cannot simplify the square root. So we take as it is. So AC is equal to what? Square root of 113. Okay, we found the three sides of a right angle triangle. Let's have a look of the question what they asked. I can remember some formula, children. Can you? A plus B into A minus B. What is this identity? A square minus B square. And again, A plus B into A minus B, A square minus B square. So as we have discussed in our introduction, this will become 1 minus sine square theta and this will become 1 minus cos square theta. Directly you can apply that identity. Or another method. There are two methods to solve this problem. So what is the another method? Let me do now. What is your first sub question here? 1 plus sine theta, 1 minus sine theta into by 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. So before starting this, what do we need here? Sine theta and cos theta needed. So let's calculate here. What is sine theta? Sine theta value opposite by hypotenuse. 8 by square root of 113. And still what do we need in our problem? Cos theta needed. Cos theta adjacent by hypotenuse. That will be 7 by root 113. Okay, now take the problem. 1 plus sine theta. Sine theta place you substitute here. 8 by square root of 113 into 1 minus 8 by square root of 113 by what is here? 1 plus cos theta value 7 by square root of 113 into 1 minus 7 by square root of 113. Okay, now if you want, now you can apply A plus B into A minus B, or you can do the LCM also. So now I'll apply the formula here. What is the formula here, children? It will be A square minus B square 113 whole square by 1 square minus 7 by square root of 113 whole square. Okay, this will be 1 1s are 1 minus 8 8s are how much? It will be 64 and square root of 113 whole square. You can remember here this square should be splitted for numerator and also the denominator. 8 8s are 64. Square root of 113 whole square. Square root will be cancelled. It will be 113. Okay. By 1 minus 7 sevens are 49 by square root of 113 whole square, it will be 113. Now look here children, let me carry the problem here. So now do LCM. 113 minus 64 by 113 by 113 minus 49 by 113. It will be how much here? 113 minus 64 will be 49 by 113 whole divided by 113 minus 49 will be 64 by 113. 113 will be cancelled. So finally, what is your answer? It will be 49 by 64 is your answer. That is, again rewrite the question 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta whole divided by 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta is equal to 49 by 64. One more sub question we have here. Where is the sub question here? Cot square theta. What is cot square theta? To need this, we should find cot theta. What is cot theta, children? Adjacent by opposite. So now, look here. Second sub question. Cot theta. Adjacent by opposite. 7 by 8. They asked you cot square theta. That will be 7 by 8 whole square. That will be 7 sevens are 49. 8 8s are 64. Look here children, both the sub questions we are going to get 49 by 64. Okay. Eighth problem. If 3 cot A is equal to 4. Again, so what do I write here? Cot A, look here children, 3 is a multiple. If it goes to this side, it will be divided. 4 by 3. What is this 4 by 3? Cot A ratio. Adjacent by opposite. Okay. In a triangle having 3 sides, we know adjacent and opposite. We should find hypotenuse. For that, let me draw a right angle triangle here. First, A, acute angle is A. Observe this letter also carefully. A, B is right angle. Okay. What is adjacent angle for A? This is this one 4 and opposite is 3. Okay. What is AC? Apply Pythagoras theorem. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AC square is equal to AB value is 4 square plus 3 whole square. AC square is equal to 4 4s are 16. 3 3s are 9. AC square is equal to 25. AC is equal to square root of 25. That is AC is equal to 5. Okay. Now we got the 3 sides of a right angle triangle. Then we see the question what they asked. Whether 1 minus tan square A by 1 plus tan square A is equal to cos square A minus sin square A or not, you have to check out. Okay. Okay. So how do we do this? We have LHS and RHS. So either you may take LHS and get one answer. RHS, get another answer. If both are equal or not, you are going to check out. So now, let me observe what are all the terms there in this question. You need sin A, cos A, sin A. Okay, let's find out here. What is tan A? Tan A. What is tan A, children? Opposite by adjacent. This is your angle A. Opposite by adjacent. That will be 3 by 4. Next, cos A. What is cos A? Adjacent by hypotenuse. 4 by 5. Then again, sin A. What is sin A? For this angle opposite by hypotenuse, it will be 3 by 5. Okay, what are all the ratios there in your question? I have done here. Okay, let's substitute this and find out. So now let us consider the one part left hand side of the question. LHS, what is that? 1 minus tan square A by 1 plus tan square A. What is tan A? Tan A value is 3 by 4. 3 by 4 whole square by 1 plus 3 by 4 whole square. Okay, now do the whole square. 3 3s are 9, 4 4s are 16. Whole divided by 1 plus 9 by 16. Okay, so all you can put here equal to. Now do the LCM. 16 and 1 LCM is 16. 16 minus 9 whole divided by 16 plus 9 by 16. Okay, this one also I have done the LCM. 16 and 16 will be cancelled. That will be 16 minus 9 will be 7. 16 plus 9 will be 25. Okay, mark this as first equation. What value you got here? 7 by 25. Again, you can write the question 1 minus tan square A by 1 plus tan square A is equal to 7 by 25. So they asked to check whether it is equal to that or not, right? Now consider the right hand side of the question. That is cos square A minus sin square A. What is cos, children? 4 by 5. 4 by 5 whole square minus sin A value is 3 by 5. 3 by 5 whole square. 4 4s are 16 by 5 5s are 25 minus 3 3s are 9, 5 5s are 25. Do LCM here equal to 16 minus 9. That will be how much? 7 by 25. So look here. First equation 7 by 25 you got. And again second equation, what is this here? Cos square A minus sin square A is also equal to 7 by 25. So what do you say here? They asked to check. Therefore, from equation 1 and 2, LHS is equal to RHS. Or you may rewrite the question 1 minus tan square A by 1 plus tan square A is equal to cos square A minus sin square A. Okay, is it equal or not checked? Yes, it is equal. Shift to the ninth problem. In triangle ABC, right angled at B. So look here, let me draw a right angle triangle. Right angled at B. So first I'll take the right angle letter. It is B. If tan A is equal to 1 by root 3. Same manner children here. Tan A is equal to 1 by root 3. What is tan A ratio here? Opposite by adjacent. So tan A means this is the angle they are considering here. You may write your angle A here or here. Both are acute, right? So tan A opposite by adjacent 1 and this will be root 3. What is this? Again apply the Pythagoras formula. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AC square we need to calculate. AB root 3 whole square plus BC value is 1 whole square. Root 3 into root 3, what it will be? Square root will be cancelled. 3 plus 1 ones are 1. 3 plus 1 AC square is equal to 4. What is AC, children? It will be square root of 4. Therefore, AC is equal to 2. Okay, what is your AC value? Hypotenuse value is 2. Always observe in your right angle triangles, hypotenuse must be the longest side and it should have the biggest value in the 3 sides. So now we got AC. So what is your first sub question here? Find sin A cos C cos A sin C. Oh, something here different. Sin A cos C plus cos A into sin C. Before starting this problem, what are all the ratios we have? We should be able to identify by using the right angle triangle. Sin A, children. Sin A, your angle is here, right? Sin A, opposite by hypotenuse. What is your sin A value? 1 by 2 into cos C. Directly you should say now. Almost basics we have completed. Directly you try to say now. Cos C. Your angle is here. Cos means adjacent by hypotenuse. That will be 1 by 2 plus cos A. Again your acute angle is here now. Cos A adjacent by hypotenuse. It will be root 3 by 2 into sin C. Now again shift your finger here. Sin C opposite by hypotenuse. It will be root 3 by 2. Multiply this, children. 1 ones are 1, 2 twos are 4. Plus root 3 into root 3. Root 3 whole square. That will be 3 by 2 twos are 4. Do LCM here. 1 plus 3 by 4. 4 by 4. That will be 1. Therefore, question plus answer compulsory. Sin A cos C plus cos A sin C is equal to 1. So, your second sub question is homework for today. Okay, last problem we are going to do. Your 10th problem. In triangle PQR, right angled at Q. Okay, let's draw a right angle triangle here, children. So, now, what is the question they gave here? Right angled at Q. So, let me write the variable Q here. Where is the triangle PQR? So you can write anywhere, yeah, PQR. Okay, but Q is fixed. Q you have to write at right angle only. So now right angle at Q, PR plus QR is equal to 25 centimeters. Oh, what is this? This plus this equal to PR plus QR is equal to 25 centimeters. They did not give you any separate side. Both sides sum is 25 centimeters given. Oh, it is different, right? PQ is equal to 5 centimeters. Okay. So, find the values of sin P, cos P and tan P. It is very easy. If you know the missing sides, you can find any ratio. But how to do this one? So, for that purpose, you assume any one will be x. Okay. So, let us assume any one side. If I take QRX, what will be happening here? Look here carefully. PR plus x is equal to 25. So, now what is PR? PR is equal to 25 minus x. So now let me write PR is equal to 25 minus x. But also I didn't get the value of the sign. So how can I find this? Apply Pythagoras theorem as usual. But separate sides you got right now. What is QR? QRX. PR will be 25 minus x will be PR. So now apply Pythagoras theorem here. What is that? Hypotenuse square is equal to sum of the squares of other two sides. PQ square plus QR square. Okay, what is PR children here? 25 minus x whole square is equal to, your PQ value is 5 whole square and your QR value is x whole square is x square. So now I can see some formula. Can you? Yes. A minus B whole square. What is A minus B whole square children? A square minus 2AB plus B square is equal to 5 5s are 25 plus x square. X square and x square will be cancelled. If you bring another side, one value will be negative, negative and positive, x square will be cancelled. Or directly you can cancel like this. So now 25 25s are 625 minus 25 2s are how much? 50. X is equal to 25. Minus 50x bring other side. That will be 50 positive 50x. This 25 bring this side. What happens? 625 minus 25 will be 600 is equal to 50x. This 50 is a multiple. Send other side. It will be divided. So that will be 0, 0. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10. So what's your x value children? 12. You got your x. Now again substitute there. What it is? QR is equal to 12. Then what it will be? 25 minus 12. It will be 13. Your hypotenuse length is 13 and QR is 12. Now you got all the three sides, right? You can find anything. Now your angle, values of sine P. Your acute angle you have to consider like this one. So when your angle is P, adjacent side is adjacent, opposite side is opposite, and this will be hypotenuse. What's your question here? Sine P. Sine P. What is sine P children here? Opposite. That will be opposite QR by PR. QR is 12 by 13. Coming to your cos P. What is cos P here? Adjacent side by hypotenuse. That will be 5 by 13. Coming to your tan P. Tan P. Opposite by adjacent. QR by PQ. That will be 12 by 5. Okay, this is your 10th problem. So like this, you try to say the remaining ratios children. What is cosecant P? And what is secant P? What is cot P? Okay, ready? Cosecant P. Cosecant P means what? 13 by 12. Secant P. 13 by 5. Cot P. 5 by 12. Okay, so suppose acute angle is changed near Q. Same manner, not Q, R. Write all the 6 ratios. How much you practice these all ratios, no, you'll become perfect in your trigonometry. These are the minimum basics to start your chapter. So your last problem, state whether the following are true or false. Justify your answer. Just I am going to read oral. You try to answer. The value of A, the value of tan A is always less than 1. So look here children, in your tan table, 0 to infinite there. Do you remember? So here the value of tan A is always less than 1. No, I cannot end up with 1. More than, up to infinity. What is the ending value? We don't know. So what is this? You are going to say it is false. Secant A. Your next one will be secant A is equal to 12 by 5 for some values of angle A. Look here children, what happens here? It will be 5 2s are 10 2 point. What they are saying, secant A 12 by 5. Maybe. Yes, some values it might be, right? It is true. Okay, for all values same answer if they say, it is wrong. For some values means yes, it is accepted. Therefore, it is true. Third one, cos A is the abbreviation used for the cosecant of angle A. What is cosecant of angle A? Cosecant A. It's not cos A, right? It is false. Once again, I repeat, cos A is the abbreviation used for the cosecant of angle A. No. Cosine of A, that is cos A, not cosecant of A. So, this question is also false. Cot A is a product of cot and A. Never. These ratios, we never say it is a product. Okay. So, this is also false. Coming to your last. Sin theta. Sin theta is equal to 4 by 3 for some angle theta. So, look here. Sin theta 4 by 3 for some angles it seems. Once have a look clearly. 4 by 3 means it might be, just convert into decimal, 3 ones, 1.3 something you are getting. But sine range, what is a sine range? From 0 to 1. It is exceeding 1. So this is false. Okay, it cannot be more than 1. Your angle value cannot be more than 1. So this question is also false. With this, we are going to end up our exercise 11.1, children. So don't waste time. Do practice full exercise at least 2 times. Okay. Thank you. Let's meet in our next session. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.